Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Online Tricks with another episode. In today's video, I'm going to tell you how you can make YouTube banner of your YouTube channel. There are a few things that are very important for impression of your channel. So YouTube banner is one of them. So in this video, I'm going to tell you how you can make YouTube banner. Actually, people usually face issue with make a banner because they don't know exactly what is exactly the size of a YouTube banner. They don't exactly know how the banner will fit on their channel front page. So in this video, I'm going to tell you very easy step, very useful step so that you can make your YouTube banner. So let's go. So first go to Canva, in which we are going to make our YouTube banner. You have to write here YouTube channel art. These are all YouTube channel arts. So let's just select any of them. We have to as we're going to make for free. So what are we going to do is that we are going to apply a filter here. So we want free ones. Where are the free ones? Yellow. There's the free one. Apply the free ones. Now he's going to show us the free ones. Okay, let's just say we are going to make this one. Just say we're going to customize this one. As you can see, it is open now. There you go. This is the template of our YouTube channel art. So let's just make changes in them. Let's suppose our channel name is vlogging time, and then we write here subscribe to my channel. There you go. And let's just upload one of our pictures so that it looks much better. Let me just upload my there you go. Let me just place it here. Okay, now as we have completed this step, now the other step is that we have to go to Google, write YouTube channel banner size, channel banner, go to images, download this first one. As you can see, it is downloaded. Upload it, one upload file. As you can see, this is the one. Okay, now this will help us to show which area will be represented on which part of mobile, laptop or TV. So place it on your already made. Okay, there it is. Now you can see this is that. Now I'm going to look. Now as you can see that this dark area will be shown in mobile, and the surrounding will be shown in our desktop view, and the rest will be shown in our TV view. So let's just check dark area. This is the area which you will be shown in your mobile screens. The light gray and the most light gray will be shown in this one. The second light gray will be shown in tablet, and the third one will be shown in desktop. This is the whole area which will be shown in desktops, tablets and mobile, and the rest of area will be shown in TV display. So let's just align our things according to this. As you can see, I have aligned my picture according to mobile view. In case I want something else, then I can add as well here in this area. So I think we are done with that. Let's just download it. There you go. I'm going to my channel. Now this is my channel. Go to customization, branding, change. Here you can see, look, it completely suits on my display. So when I'll apply, it will definitely will show like this. So in this easy step, you can also make a YouTube banner without any inconvenience. So if this video has been helpful for you, to subscribe to my channel and like my video, and make sure to comment if this video has been useful to you. Take care. We'll meet you with another video. Take care. Bye bye.